Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Pada Dandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandanang Vande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manoharam Vanshakalpataruvasya Kipasindhu Bhavesha Patitanang Pavunebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ Karoti Vācālaṁ Pangum Langhetigirim Yat Kipatamahang Vande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavi Tulsidev Vai Piyavi Kesavasacha Sna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvatvai Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Narun Chaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudira Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadesha Gauriya Patrasya Prakasanecha Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagod Varun Dhyam Sada Paribhavagnam Avishtaduham Tirthas Padam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vetatiham Panutapal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusate Charuna Ravindam Yat Pada Pallavanakha Chandamani Chataya Vispurjita Kimapi Gopavadu Swadarsi Purnanuragara Sasagara Saramurti Saradhika Mai Kada Kipam Kurusi Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadihi Gaura Bhaktavinda Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadihi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanuka bodhatu Sankirtanoi kapitaro kamala yataksho Vishambaro dijabaro jugodharma palo Bande jagat priyakaro karuna bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Sura Surairabandito Dibbarupam Bhuktin cha muktin cha dada sinitam Bhavanurupena sada narana Ganga taranga ramaniya jata kalapam Gauri nirantara vibhushi tabam bhagam Narayano priyamanango madhapaharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavi Shanatham Bhagi Sajusva Vadane Lakshmi Jasacha Bhaksasi Yasyaste Hide Sambhi Pam Nishingamaham Bhadi Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Yatrottama sloka gunanuvadaha prastuyate gramma katha vigataha nishebhyamanam anudinam mamukshurmatim satim jachati bhad. Yatrottama sloka gunanuvadaha prastuyate gramma katha vigataha nishebhyamanam anudinam mamukshurmatim satim jachati vasudeva. Gauriya Goshtipati Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that Param Vijayata Sri Krishna Sankirtanam is the aprakita slogan of our Gaudiya Math. We are trying to live under the shelter of Nam Sankirtan. Gaudiya Goshtipati, Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Gauriya Goshtipati, Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that Param Vijayat Sri Krishna Sankirtanam is the divine slogan of our Gauriya Math. We like to lead our life under this shelter. Each and every Gauriya Math, there each and every mandir, math, Nam Sankirtan flame which was ignited by Sriman Mahaprabhu, enlightened by Sriman Mahaprabhu at Srivas Angan in this Mayapur, that Nam Sankirtan Jagya, the flame of that Jagya should be protected and preserved everywhere, in each and every temple, everywhere. Even inside your house also. If you are failure to maintain the flame, protect the flame inside your home, because we know, grihe thaku, bone thaku, sada hori bole thaku. If you are failure to give protection to this Sankirtan flame, somehow this Sankirtan flame put off, then big problem can arise. In fighting, altercation, competition, all different kind of dirty things can arise to cover up your Cheta Darpan with this all dust particles of demand, desire, annavilas, all different kind of dust particle and stone chief, everything can cover up your Cheta Darpan, and you cannot see anything. You can become blind. You can become fully blind, like material man. They have eyes, but they don't have eyes. With these material eyes, what you can see? Some stool, urine, blood, flesh. You cannot see anything. By the help of these eyes, you can see nothing. Only you can see material thing. Those scientists also agree there is matter and there must be antimatter. But we cannot prove it. They say antimatter must be there. Because everything has some opposite. Good, bad, night, day, all opposite. Synonym, antonym. So there must be antimatter. We can guess, but you cannot catch it. Because by research, by intellectual, those who are intellectual people, they can play their brain, but it is out of reach. They cannot understand. So by Sankirtan, in the whole world, if everybody agree, all over the world, Vaikuntha Jagat can come down. Immediately. If America, Russia, France, Italy, where, everywhere, if everybody start Nam Sankirtan, Hare Krishna, all problems solved. But they are idiot number one, demon. They don't like to find solution. They like to create solution. Creating solution is their plan. Follow. Then they can make business nicely. They can create problem. If this country not going to fight with this country, how I can sell my weapon? So they must fight. I can arrange their fighting. He is doing it. This way fighting. And I can sell my weapon. I can start a business. Devotional line also. This way, some or other way, they have to play business technique so that we can make fool of everybody, whole world, and we can enjoy our life. So, if the teachings of Sriman Mahaprabhu, if everybody can accept, then surely all problem can come to an end. Vaikuntha Jagat can come down in this earth, on this earth, Vaikuntha Jagat. But nobody did. Even in devotional field, if somebody is speaking absolute truth, somehow like to fight him, stop. They like to stop him. This way, all competition going on, simply because we are failure to protect the Nam Sankirtan Jagyagni. That is the problem, nothing else. The procedure shown by Sriman Mahaprabhu, Nam Sankirtan, is so easy, but at the same time is so topmost bhajan, that even Mahaprabhu has shown in course of swimming, in course of distributing prasadam, in course of dancing, sing, all the time Nam Sankirtan. Even Gundicha Manjan, they are cleaning Gundicha Manjan, they are also without Krishna Nam, nothing allowed, only Krishna Nam. Hare Krishna, give this one. Hare Krishna, take it, this one. No other words. Always using this Aprakita Sabda Brahma, Mahaprabhu teaching. This way, Mahaprabhu wanted to teach us, easily you can go out of this material bondage, very easily, but nobody else. You can remember Mahaprabhu swimming in Chandan Sarovar, and there Advaita Gosai, Nityananda, all playing water game, and Krishna, they are playing. So only Satsanga and Aprakita Sabda Brahma can help us. I know you cannot believe. If somehow in your life some miracle happen, then you can believe. Some miracle happen. You cannot believe. Driving ghost is a very cheap thing. Driving ghost is a very cheap thing. What you can see? A very cheap thing. Driving ghost. Ghost can go away. If we like to drive away ghost, it's very easy. Nam Sankirtan. By Nam Sankirtan we can get everything. But we don't like to accept all unnecessary things. By Nam Sankirtan we can get everything. But we like to get Krishna Prema. That is our objective. The sloka I started with, there it is, from Bhagavatam it is written, Yatruttama sloka gunanuvadaha, the place where the Nam Sankirtan and Harikatha of Bhagavan going on, surely material talkings cannot take place there. Because Nam Sankirtan. You see, Mahaprabhu has seen in Shiva Sangan, in the road, everywhere, Nam Sankirtan. By the help of Nam Sankirtan, everything was possible. Even what was not possible by money power, manpower, that was possible by Nam Sankirtan. When Kaji wanted to stop Nam Sankirtan, He is the Muslim ruler. Then my Nam Sankirtan, solution came. Everything. So driving, if we like to drive away ghost is very cheap thing, that's not a big issue. We cannot use Nam Sankirtan for any cheap purpose. You can try in your life. You do Harinam, you can come out successful. But it is prohibited. You cannot apply this it is one kind of medicine, absolute medicine. Surely we should not use Nam Sankirtan, Harinam, for any material purpose. That is strictly prohibited. If we do, we can get result. But up to this point, you can stuck up. You cannot go further. So the place where Nam Sankirtan going on, Yatrottama Sloka Gunanuvadaha, where Nam Sankirtan going on, surely material talkings cannot take place. And where Nam Sankirtan going on, Yatrottama Sloka Gunanuvadaha Prasuyate, Gramma Katha can collide, cannot take place. And if you go on, serving, taking this advantage, then very gradually, Mumukshar Matim Satim Yachadiva. You mean those who like to feeling their life detested, fed up. Mumukshar Matim Satim Shatimati. Here you can find two kind of mind. Mind in Sanskrit word, feminine gender, masculine gender, neutral gender, they are different. So, Sati Mati, here Mati, mind is actually feminine gender. Sati Mati, chaste lady, just like chaste lady, chaste mind. And is pros lady, like is a dirty mind, which can drive you it can drive you towards wrong activities, wrong, dirty things that you can do. So by Nam Sankirtan, absolute Mangal we can invite in the whole world, with guarantee. If whole country put guarantee, with agreement we can. Bhaktivinoda Thakur speaking, very easily, all over the world, if everybody start Nam Sankirtan, all problem automatically going to vanish. But they cannot do. Even this kind of dirty politics, competition, this kind of jealousy, all developing inside the devotional field, Harinam, Sankirtan hour. Simply because we have failure to give protection to the Sankirtan Bani, Sankirtan flame. Is a put off. That is the reason. So, Bhagavati Katha and Nam Sankirtan, everything is very important. And on those days, I was discussing how Chatussan suggesting this way you can arrange Bhagavad Katha, the Sat Karma, what aerial wise you heard, it is already there for long, for eternally present. By chance, I am going to speak to you for your kind information. So this way, Idam Bhagavatam Nama Puranam Brahma Samhitam Bhakti Jnana Viraganam Sthapanaya Prakasita. This Idam Bhagavatam Nama Puranam Brahma Samhitam, this Bhagavat Mahapuran Brahma Samhitam Bhakti Jnana Viraganam Sthapanaya Prakasitam. One point very important, Bhakti Jnana Viraganam Sthapanaya Prakat. Not speaking only one word, Bhakti Sthapanaya or Jnana Sthapanaya. Not speaking, at a time speaking. Because where Bhakti is there, then Vairagya, Gyan, automatically you can find. There is no option, no at a time. Bhakti, Gyan and Vairagya at a time. So, idam bhagavatam namo puranam brahma samhitam bhakti jnano viraganam sthapanaya prakasitam. To establish Gyan, to establish Bhakti, Gyan and Vairagya, this Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran is expressing it. Bhakti, Gyan, Vairagya. Three at a time. Though it is written in Shastra, Bhagavan himself speaking, I myself is Veda, I already told yesterday. Whole Veda if you read, and if you don't, if you have failure to locate me, where I am, then your reading Veda is your energy gone in vain. Vedasya sarvai rahameva vedya. Veda Ved, I knowing Ved, everything Bhagavan speaking. Also, we know from 6th canto, Vedasya Iswar Atmatvat Tatra Muhyanti Surayo. It is written, Vedasya Ishwar Atmatvat Tatra Muhyanti Surayo. Ved is identical with Bhagavan. Bhagavan in the form of Vedas come. So, even Rishi Muni, they cannot understand. What is the inner meaning? Veda, at present, whole world if you search, such a man is very rare who is having profound knowledge in Veda. Have, maybe. 100 years back, 80 years back, 150 years, 200 years back also, there was so powerful man. Comparatively, 500 years also more. But at present, day by day, mental capacity going down, thinking capacity, memory going down. If somebody thinks, what I say morning time, what you say, they can forget. It's quite natural, because power going dropping day by day. Capacity, everything going down. Already, you see, even mercy, all good qualities are going away. Not resting in anybody. Because it is the effect of Kali. But anyway, those who are pure devotee, there the topics is totally different, So, this way, actually Chatussan, they going to suggest that this way you can arrange this Satkatha, Satkarma, Bhagavad Katha. After that, Naraji speaking, Bhaggodayeno bahujanmarjiteno satsangameva labhate purusho jadavai ajnana hetu kritam moham andhakar nasam vidhayuhi tado dayati vivekaha. It is in Shastra written, if luck is very good, Satsango labhate pungbhir bahubhir sukriti purva sanchita. If your previous sukriti accumulated, then and only then you can get the chance of sadhukatha. Why sadhu sangha is so important? Because sadhu sangha Krishna nam, in Bengali we know, sadhu sangha Krishna nam, ei matro chai, sangsara jiniti har kono vastu nai. Those sadhus surely cannot speak about share market news, or surely cannot speak about even gambling, anything. Sadhu Sangha means their topics is Bhagavan, or any topics related to Bhagavan or Bhakti, they can speak. Surely we cannot expect. Surely we cannot expect. Now, those who are sadhu, every room they have television, big 100, 1,50,000 rupees mobile, everything. This is their bhajan. From morning time, 5 o'clock. Hello, this is bhajan. That is why situation is out of control. Completely out of control. Completely out of control, I speak. Completely. Who can protect whom? Dangerous. Now pure sadhu, they can take decision to play a drama role of I cannot speak, I forget. They can act as a madman to save themselves and go away. This way they are waiting. They cannot, because they know impossible. Nobody can accept. Why I can waste my time? Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj, if somebody coming, Babaji used to cheat them. Used to cheat them. Not speaking about bhakti, because by watching he could realize he is a material man. What is the price of the land going there? Per katha, he used to ask. What is the rice, kg? How much? Go away. Material people, sadhu mean they can avoid material people. Only in our Gaudiya Math, those who are powerful sadhu like Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they purposely coming in front of us to teach us, nothing else. Otherwise, a pure sadhu, you can look the symptom. Immediately, they like to hide and do bhajan. They cannot waste their time. Even fraction of second they cannot waste. Somebody coming and putting pressure on Baba, Gaur Kishore Baba, please you take this blanket, you need it. I don't need, no, you keep it. You keep this blanket. Purposely, forcefully give it. Baba said, I don't need blanket, or somehow I can manage myself. No, you take. After that, Baba, to bestow mercy on him, using this blanket for the night. Doing Harinam. After that morning time, 10 o'clock, man coming. Baba packing the kambal and speaking, you take your Bengal blanket back. Why? But I cannot develop any loveful relationship with your blanket, because it is not helping me to Hari Bhajan. You take it. Throw it out. Everybody buying these like mad. Whole wasting money. They cannot understand what is the mood of Guru Vaishnava. So, this way, if luck is very good, that is Bhagavatam, it is written, if your luck is very good, then satsanga you can get, and because of satsanga, you can have the chance to hear Harikatha, Kirtan, Sadhu Sangha, Krishna Nam, Himatra Chai, just to few minutes before. Satsanga labhate pungbhir, bahubhir sukriti purva sanchitai. Not a matter of chance. Same thing Naraji Maharaj speaking, Bhaggo dayeno bahujanmarjiteno satsangameva labhate purusho jada vai agyano hetu krit moho andhakaro nasam vidayohi tad udayate vivekaha. Vivek, consciousness level can go up. Consciousness level can go up when you are doing continuous satsanga. By the help of satsanga, your consciousness level can go up gradually. You can feel very complicated thing. Then due to satsanga, your brain can become very sharp. You can realize this is not good. This is good. Very sharp brain. Brain become very sharp. Sharp brain, sharp, very. So anyway, now in the third adhyay, Bhagavad Mahatam, Naraji Maharaj going to take initiative so that finally solution can come out. I mean, Bhagavad Katha, going to arrange, but where to arrange? The place should be selected, who all can come, who can speak, how to arrange, everything there. So, Naradji, Bhagavan, Naradji Maharaj speaking, Jnana Jagyam Karishwami. I can arrange a Bhagavad Gyan Yogya. Bhagavad Gyan Yogya means Bhagavad is also Gyan Yogya. Bhagavad is also Bhakti Yogya. Those who are outside people, they are speaking Gyan Yogya. Anywhere, Vrindavan here, they are Gyan Yogya, Gyan Yogya. In general, it is Gyan Yogya you can speak. Because when Gyan can go high level and when ripe, then it is Bhakti. When Gyan and Bhakti almost same, that's why. Somebody asking, Gurudev, Bhagavan we can see, Naradji Bhagavan. Yes, why not? Well, how? Bhagavan is different. Yes. Point is that Naradji Bhagavan, Shivji Bhagavan, we can say, it is not offensive, it is good. Because Bhagavan already, you don't understand. Actually, Bhagavan already told that I myself coming in the form of. So the terminology is not wrong. We are using it wrong way. Gurudev is no other than Bhagavan. Bhagavan coming in the form of. So what wrong in it? But we in Gaudiya Math not using. Because somebody can misuse it. Terminology is not bad. Gurudev Bhagavan is okay. Term is okay. Saksha dharityena samasta sastrai ruktastata bhavyate visadvi kintu pavarja priyavatasya bande gurus. Radharani is also Bhagavan. Krishna is Bhagavan. Both Bhagavan. The difference, predominating absolute and predominated absolute, is Bhagavan. But we are not using it. So Narad Bhagavan, Shivji Bhagavan is okay too. But absolute Bhagavan, absolute is Bhagavan, Krishna. So Naradji Vacho, Jnana Yagyam Karishwami, Shuko Sastro Katho Jalam. Because by that time, this is the third Adhivation, assembly of Bhagavatam. First assembly took place there in Suktal. Second, in Naimish Aranya. First, in Suktal Khetra at the bank of Ganga, in front of Parikshit Maharaj, Sukdev told. We know it very well. Second, took place in Naimish Khetra, Naimish Aranya. Suta Goswami was speaking in Sanukadi Rishis. And the third, at the bank of Tungabhadra, Gokarnaji Maharaj, speaking Harikatha, to deliver whom? Dhundukari, the ghost. So this way, Naradji Maharaj quoting the glorification of that Sukha Shastra, Sukha Goswami, because Sukha Mukho Drobo Sangyutam, actually. Sukho Mukhad Amritadava Sangyutam, Vivantam Rasamalayam, Mohuraho Rasika, Bhuvibhavuka. We know it. So, the Naradji Maharaj speaking, Jnana Jagyam Karishwami, Sukha Shastro Kathojjalam, Bhakti Jnano Viragyanam Stapanartham Prayatnato. I can take great care to establish Bhakti Jnana Virag, establish, and Sukha Shastro. By this, Naradji Maharaj wanted to glorify Sukdev Goswami, because whatever Harikatha, whoever spoken, Sukha Goswami Pad spoken, that should be given. Like a commentary, so many writing, so many commentary. But the sweet commentary approved by our Guru Varga, sweet. Every comment is okay. I am not speaking. Commentary, commentary on Bhagavatam, okay. So many. 18 in general. 18. more commentary. And Bhagavad Gita, more than 300 commentaries all over the world. More than 300. Anyway, but what is the sweetest? If you try to judgment, it's okay. Our, that first commentary, that Siddhar Samipad is also okay, very nice. Very nice. But anyway, if you check up, Vishwanath Chakravarti was the latest commentator because he gone through everything. That was the extra advantage. If you are doing research on some subject, if you go through what previous any research fellow or any doctor or whatever, then you can get more advantage, light. Okay, this done already. So now onward I can try. So Vishwanath Chakravarti was the latest, commentator, comparatively. So he gone through all commentary, almost all, fine, very nice. He wanted to collect this, and but the commentary of Vishwanath Chakravarti is so sweet. Cannot imagine. So sweet. Which all not clear in other commentary, which all points not clear fully. Clear, not fully. Vishwanath Bhagavad took trouble to clarify it, and finally. So, whenever Naraji Maharaj speaking, so surely he is going to give honor to Sukadeva Goswami, because he is the topmost, speaker. It is approved in Shastra. It is approved in Shastra. Who is in bhakti in our line? One bhakti anga. One bhakti anga namavida. Savanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Swaranam, Pada Sevanam, ittadi, all one by one. So, in Sravana Bhakti, Parikshit Maharaj is topmost. Sravana Bhakti Acharya is Sukdev. And Sukdev Goswami given the topmost Acharyaship. Sukdev Goswami is topmost in speaking. Hearing and speaking, na? Sravanam Kirtanam. So in hearing, Parikshit Maharaj is Sravan Bhakti Acharya. Tomorrow we can also discuss. Clearly, Sravan Bhakti Acharya topmost is Sukdev Goswami. Here in Navadvip also, 9 Ayasland. One Ayasland is a symptom of one Bhakti. Simantadip, Savanakhya, Godrum, Kirtanakhya, this Mayapur, Antadip, all different meaning there, clarified. So this way, Sukdev Goswami is the topmost speaker, Bhakti Yoga Acharya of Bhagavad, Kirtan Bhakti Acharya is Sukdev. So we must honor him. So Naraji Maharaj begin, Uvacha, Jnana Yagyam Karishwami Sukha Sastro Kathojjalam Bhakti Jnano Viraganam Stapanartham Prajatnat. Naraji Maharaj took resolution now. We can arrange, but where to arrange, let me see. So, this way. Sutadev Goswami now is speaking. Naraji Maharaj is going to take initiative somehow. I can arrange, and who can speak, and where to arrange, all they can decide. Okay, nice. Now, Sutadev Goswami is speaking, Evam Uktaha. This way, after speaking, Kumaraste Naradeno Samam Tataha Ganga Tatam Samajagmur Katha Panayo Sattaraha. Very quickly, by taking decision this way, final decision, then Chotusan, together with Naraji Maharaj, all Chotusan, and also they are coming very quickly. Because Subhasya Sigram, Any good bhajan or anything, you should not delay. If you do delay, big problem. You will die. So, any good activity or in related to bhajan, you must take initiative immediately after knowing, without any delay. Instant action should be taken. Ready action. Because life is only 2 days. Maybe I am not going there to hear, maybe who knows, if I leave body, big problem. So, decision should be implemented immediately. Good. So this way, our Sutadev Goswami is speaking, Evam ukta kumaraste naradena samam tataha ganga tatam samayogmuhu kathapanayo shattara. To drink the nectarian Harikatha, Kirtan, Bhagavad Katha. Immediately they are running here, where finally they reach in one they select actually. They select one nice place. What is this place? Bachen jada jatastatam tetu tada kolahalo opi abhut. Whenever Naraji Maharaj and Chatussan took decision, instantly the news spread around. There was no phone, no messenger, nothing. Their message they used to transfer through heart. That was the power of Prabhupada also. Disciple is there in England, in German, but Prabhupada sitting here giving power to the disciple. What he can speak in front of, Queen Elizabeth or whatever. All arrangement. Prabhupada here controlling. It's very easy. Because those who are powerful sadhu, they can translate power. You don't know. They can translate power. If Gurudev like to translate power, he can make a monkey big. Of course, we need qualification. Otherwise, what he can do? We think we are doing, but actually we are not doing. All done by Guru Padma, watching everything, guiding us. By the Guru Padma used to say, by the name of Prabhupada, everything can come out successful. No father can stop. So powerful. So, whenever they took decision, immediately somehow this message break out. Everywhere message. Oh, there is Bhagavad Katha, everybody must go. Eh? Invitation not there, no letter, nothing, message, automatically there. Like, who invited Sukdev Goswami to speak Harikatha? Nobody was there. And nobody knows about the whereabouts of Sukdev Goswami, where staying, where sleeping, nobody knows. Where is he? Because Paramahansa, no cloth going here and there. But by chance, how? When Sukdev Goswami, when Parikshit was sitting to leave body, wanted to find some solution, because he received cards, then all Rishi Muni, they came, some of them suggesting, Maharajan, king, you can do it, it's very good. He said, no, you can do it. Everybody suggesting, because they are not all from same line. In the meantime, how and why, who called him? Sukdev Goswami coming in the spot. Everybody get up. Now Sukdev coming, successful. Father, forefather, all, grandfather, all they are going to stand up. Eh? Who invited? Nobody. Actually, inspiration is the best message one sadhu getting. You cannot believe, I know. Someday, if you are alive, you can test, you can find, okay. Message, if heart to heart, if somebody transfer, that is the best message. Nothing more than that. So Sukdev Goswami reached, and how Parikshit Maharaj there, and nobody invited him. Automatically Bhagavan Sri Krishna is sitting inside at Paramatma, is guiding, and automatically Sukdev Goswami went to reach the spot. Otherwise nobody knows where he is staying. He first went to Hastinapur, from there in course he came walking and reached. And all small boys playing with the Baba. Because Baba is naked, 16 years boy, a curl here, looks like mad. And everybody, small boys playing, Baba, Baba, stone chip, and Baba going. They don't know who is he. This way, he finally reached. So here, Jada Yatas Tatam Tetu, when they reached the Gangatat, Tada Kolahalo Opi Abhut. All news breaking, all everywhere. Bhur loke, deva loke, cha brahma loke, tathaiva cha. Who informed? Because this is Devi Lok. Where you are living, it is called Devi Lok. It is Durga Devi controlling. Bhulok and Bhuva, all witch and all ghosts, they are staying there. All fine body those were. Bhur, Bhuva, Swarlok, then you can go to heaven. Indra, Varun, everybody. Again you can go another heaven there. Is one kind of Bhur, Bhuva, Swar, Yanu. This Bhur, Bhuva, Swar, Maho, Janu, Maho. After the Janulok, Tapolok, after that, upper looks. This all Devi Dham, completely. Not only this art, up to whole. But when you can cut, then you can go meet with Viraja, then you can cut, then Shiva Loko. Devi Mahesha Dham Tesu Teshu Tete Prabhava Nichaya Bihutashta Jeno Govindamadi Purusham Tamam Bhaja. So, Jada Yatas Tatam Tetu Tada Kala Halo Opi Abhut Bhuruloke Devaloke Cha Brahmaloke Tathaiva Cha. Everywhere news breaking. Bhur Bhuva Swamaha, even in Brahmaloka, oh, they are going to arrange Bhagavad Katha. And those who are very much interested to drink the nectar of Bhagavatam, really, they are ready immediately. I can go. Who can miss this chance? Simad Bhagavata Pijusa Panayo Rasalam Pataha Dhavanto Yopi Ayayu Sarve Pathamam Jecha Vaishnavaha. Those who are Rasalam Pata, Rasamala, they are very much crazy to drink rasa. I need rasa of Prakita. They all took decision to reach the spot very quickly. Srimad Bhagavata Pijusa Panayo Rasalam Pataha Dhavanto Opi Ayaju. All they are running. Sarve Prathamam Jecha Vaishnavaha. Those Vaishnavas, they came first. Who they? Bhrigur Vaishishta Chavanascha Gautamo Medhatithi Devalo Devarato Ramas Tatha Gadhishatascha Shakalu Mrikando Putrati Putrati Jo Pippaladaha Yogesaro Vyasa Para Saroucha Chayasuko Jajuli Yannu Mukshaha Sarve Opi Ami Munayaha Saho Shap Shishaha Shastrivir Ajajur Oti Pranayeno Yuktaha. With loveful mood, all Rishi Munis, they all reached this place. Even Vyasdev, Parasar, Bharadraj, Vasishta Chavan, Bhrigu, Gautami, Medhatithi, Deval, Devarato, all they reached that place. Chayasuk. They all not alone coming. They individually not come. They are going to collect their disciples. They are going to speak their disciples. Let us go. Their disciples also. The disciples, and also they are taking their respective wives. I mean, those who are married. This is Shastri Strivir Ajajur Ati Pranayena Yuktaha. With laughful mood, everybody reached this place very, very nice. And there was Vaishnavascha Viraktascha Nasino Brahmacharinaha Mukha Bhage Stitaste Cha Tadagre Naradaha Stitaha. In Bhagavad Katha, there must be one principal, man who is going to hear first, is the who should be given priority first. So Naradji sitting in the asan, and Chatussan sitting in the Vyasasan, Naradji sitting in the, Naradji is the first, who like to hear. After that, everybody can hear. So, Vaishnavascha viraktascha nasino brahmacharinaha mukha bhage sitaste. Those who are sannyasi, brahmachari, they are taking the seat in the front. After that, anyway, Naradji is sitting in front because he is the number one who is hearing first. This way, Rishi, Muni, everybody, they are hearing. And Bimanani Sama Ruyo Kianto Devanayakaha, all Devanayaka, demigods, they are using their aircraft, Biman, plane, their own chariot, and they are also coming. And also, they are collecting flower from Nandan Kanan, Kalpa Bhiksho Prasunis Tano, Sarvang Statro Samakiran. They collected flowers from heaven, the special flower available there. They are collecting because they like to throw Pushpavishti, rain of flower. Pushpavishti, on rain they are flying. Very special flower. So, Bimanani Samarujyo Kiyanto Devanayakaha Kalpa Bhiksho Prasunais Thanos Sarvangs Tatro Samakiran. This way, Sutadeva Goswami is speaking. Now, Kumara Uchu, after doing bandhana, everything, Sanat Kumar Adi, 4 of them. Because they 4, but their heart is all same. They look, they are 4 in number, but actually one-hearted, single-hearted. So, any one of them speaking, no problem. It is the rules. Navajogendra also. When one Jogendra speaking, then other Jogendra hearing. If he is going to stop, other Jogendra start speaking, and rest of them hearing, same thing in Chatusana. One among them speaking, then when he goes to stop, another speaking. When he goes to stop, another speaking, all hearing. So, Kumara Uchu, Kumaraha means Sanandan Kumar, Sanat Kumar, all the 4. Yeah. And they are going to speak the glorification of Bhagavatam preliminary, first of all. First of all, they can speak preliminary, what is the result, whatever. After that, Gokarna Upakhyan we can get. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow it can start, anyway. So, Kumara Uchu, Athote Varnate Asmabhir Mahima Sukha Sastataha Yasso Savarna Matrena Muktihi Karatale Sthitaha. You see the excellency. There is no place of vanity, false ego. The excellent thing. How Sanukadi Rishi, they are Chotusan, they are the oldest of all old. They also going to glorify Sukdev. Not speaking, hey, Sukdev yesterday came, what he knows? You see the honor. They are, even Mahadev, when Chatushan coming, paying pranam, elder brother, that they are going to glorify Sukh. But in our society, if somebody doing good, they can kick out. They cannot be here. And at least I cannot do, at least he is doing, we cannot find. Why is speaking? Are name and fame? A Guru Vaishnava never asks any name and fame. They never demand a name of that. They can make urine on it. Foolish. Only for this their jealousy. You see how nice. Athote varnate asmabhira mahima sukha sastrataha. From Sukha Sastra, I mean Sukha Mukho, Sukha Mukhad Amritadava Samyutam, that Bhagavad Katha, that we are going to repeat here, just so, Shobhana Matrena, immediately after hearing, Mukti coming in the grief, Mukti, a very cheap thing, Mukti coming. We are fighting whole life to get mukti. Oh, Maharaj, big trouble. We first of all like to get rid of the influence of Maya. It is also one kind of preliminary mukti. It is not final. Basic thing, out of the influence of Maya, it is called preliminary mukti. That doesn't mean you can come out successful. After that, what you are going to do, that is the main thing. After mukta, you start dancing. Not that. Mukta is a preliminary thing first. After that, if you do bhajan under the guidance of Sadguru Vaishnava, pure Vaishnava, then, of course, mukti also available under the guidance of pure Guru Vaishnava. I already told many times. Sukdev Goswami speaking to Parikshit Maharaj, if you are doing Guru Seva, you can cut all material clotture, all, very easily. Very easily. But nobody like to believe it. Rajas tamascha satyena, all, everything, rajas tamascha satyena. After that, what is that? I am always speaking. Rajas, Rajo, you are going to cut Tamo by Rajo. Rajas tamascha satyena, satyancha upasamena cha. Rajas tamascha satyena, satyancha upasamena cha. Rajo tamo you can cut by increasing the layer, percentage of your satagun. But that is not final. Then also you will have to cut your sata with Suddha sata, pure sata. Follow. You have to cut sata with pure sata. So rajas tamascha satyena, satyancha upasamena cha, etat sarvam guru bhaktya puruso hi anjasa jayat. Already written. Who is going to hear? So, Jusya Sabana Matrena Muktihi Karatale Sritaha. By hearing Bhagavati Katha, Sukha Sastra, Mukti can come inside your grief. Mukti. Sada Sebya, Srimad Bhagavati Katha. Always we should hear. Uninterrupted hearing is appreciated. Here speaking, Kumara Uchu, that Sada Sebya, Srimad Bhagavati Katha, Jasyaha Savanamatrena, Haris Chityam Samasrayet. Same thing in Bhagavatam speaking. Immediately Bhagavan coming, as in sitting inside heart. Who care, man? So they are speaking same thing. But what Bhagavad Siddhanta, Mumuksu, I know, Susuvis Tatkhanat, Bhagavan coming and sitting inside heart. So much glorification of Srimad so much glorification of Srimad Bhagavatam, even Krishna himself cannot glorify. Though we know Krishna and Srimad Bhagavatam is non-different from each other. Still, we can say this. Sada Sevya, Srimad Bhagavati Katha, Yasya Sravana Matrena, Haris Chityam Samasrayat. Hari immediately coming and sitting inside the heart. And inside heart, you can see Jagannath. You need not go to Puri. You can find inside heart. You believe me. You think I am speaking some story, not that. If you someday, if your luck is favorable, you can see what I am saying, you can prove it. Bhagavan can see it inside. You can see clearly. So, Yashya Savana Matrena Haris Chittam Samasrayat. And about that Grantha book, some clarification given, because this book is comprising of 12 canto, Grantho Ashtadasa Sahasro, Dadada Skanda Samannitaha. It is comprising of 18,000 slokas. 18,000 slokas. Grantho Ashtadasa Sahasro. Here Grantho means people making mistake. Rup Sanatan making, lakhs of literature. Grantho means tie. One Shastra, that. People thinking, in Chaitanya you sing, Rup Sanatan wrote lakhs of book. Who wrote? Sahasra, they wrote. The meaning is that one Shastra, one word they are making so much locking, reservoir, which can unveil mystery. Grantho doesn't mean books here, though general meaning is books. But Grantho Ashtadaso Sahasro, 18,000 sloka, each one sloka is full of nectar, the whole reservoir of nectar. So, Grantho Ashtadasa Sahasro, Dadadaskanda Samannitaha, 12 canto, you can find, are Parikshit Sukha Sangvadaha, Srinu Bhagavatanchutat. Parikshit was hearing, Parikshit was sitting in the men, among them those who are hearing, among them Parikshit was the man. And here, Naraji was the man. You can see by Bhagavad Gita front sitting. It's called Mukha Srota. It's a Mukha Srota, who is a man who is hearing, man, among them. So, Grantho Ashtadasa Sahasro Dadasa Skanda Samannitaha Parikshita Sukha Sangvadaha Srinu Bhagavatanchutat. That Bhagavatam we are going to glorify. First of all, glorification. After that, 7-day Harikatha, whatever, according to capacity. Those who are Mahapurush, they can. I never heard Prabhupada done 7 days Bhagavad Gita. It is allowed, no doubt. But those who are pure sadhu, they are not getting satisfaction. They like to go thorough. 7 days Harikatha means shortcut, jump, first canto, tuck. Otherwise, how possible? Every day, if 4 hours, morning 2 hours, evening 2 hours, it is nothing. I told to many devotees that if you order me, I can try my best. I am a very small man. But it will take one year or more than that. First canto can take 1 year. Continuously I can go on. Second canto can get 1 year. So within 12 years, maximum. 12 years, within 12 years, I can try to finish. But I think I cannot finish. So mystery, so mysterious knowledge and nectar is there. If I jump on sloka, I can feel plain. Ah, I jump. I miss that sloka. So anyway, it's not possible. So, Sukdev Goswami spoke Harikatha and Parikshit Maharaj, but that was very special Bhagavad Katha. Though within 7 days we were finished, but marathon, whole day and night continuously, non-stop, no water, drinking, no prasadam, no sleeping, day and night continuously. How possible? So, we cannot compare that 7 week, 1 week Harikatha with other Harikatha usually people are speaking. And now it is one kind of business. I can speak with music, nice, this, people coming. They are charging 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. This is a charge. You will take me there. Come with the whole party. And they are actually pros. They are not sadhu. They are actually pros. They are not sadhu. Sadhu cannot do it. Sadhu like to enjoy the nectar inside Bhagavatam. So, this way, Tavat sangsara chakre asmin bhramate ajnanataha pumana yavat karnagata nasti shuko sastro kathakshanam. So long as people traveling in this material world, taking birth and dying, taking birth and dying, but the life, particularly in that particular life, when you have the chance to hear Bhagavad Katha, that life is the end point. You need not take birth from the womb of mother. Finish. All problem, finish. Taking birth means anyway, wherever you are taking birth. Problem is a mass. So, to cut problem, you will have to hear Harikatha. If you are hearing Harikatha, then your repetition of death and birth cycle, you can stop immediately. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi matri jathare sayanam. Again you are dying, you are taking birth. Again you are dying, you are taking birth. This way continuously, you are going to miss it. So, tavat sangsara chakre asmin brahmate ajnanataha pumana yavat karnagata nasti shuka sastru kathakshanam. So long as you are not hearing the Bhagavad Katha from right source, till then you cannot stop the cycle of death and birth, death and birth, death and birth. King Satoir Bahubhi Sastrair Puranaischo Brahmavahi Ekang Bhagavatam Sastram Muktidanena Garjati. What is the utility of going through different sastras? Whereas you are getting commitment, assurance from Bhagavad that after hearing all from, why you are going to take trouble? King Srutoir Bahubhi Sastrair Puranaischo Brahmavahi. Because if you go through different sastras, it is written this there, in this Puran. Oh, it's written this. Confusion. Maybe wrong. So why you are going? Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to give instruction to us, if you like to come out successful this life, you must go through Chaitanya Bhagavat, not even Chaitanya Charitamrita, which is very higher standard. Chaitanya Charitamrita is so higher standard, you cannot imagine. Even you cannot understand. Big Pandit, they are in confusion. So it is the advice of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, if you want success this life, then you please go through Chaitanya Bhagavat daily. Maybe 1 page. Before passing lecture, you must try to take decision how to lead your life. How effective way. So that power must be there. If there is no fire, If the matches is there, not working, because damn, thug, 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 but fire not coming. The useless message. So if I become like useless message, fire cannot come. And if fire not coming from my mouth, I cannot touch your heart. And if not coming, I cannot purify you. Similar way. Of course, it depends upon your faith. If you are not, you are hearing, but no faith, what result you can get? So, what is the utility of hearing so many shastras, whereas we are getting assurance from Srimad Bhagavatam, they is so final. So what is, one Mahaprabhu also told, it's a final, no need. King Srtoir Bahubhi Sastroir Puranischa Brahma Vahi Ekam Bhagavatam Sastram Muktidanena Garjati. Whereas Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran is like lion, boom, shouting, come on to me, I can give everything, but nobody going. Then actually, the Chatussan speaking, Katha Bhagavata Swapi Nityam Bhavati Yad Grihe. If Bhagavat, this book is staying in the house of anybody, it can be compared with a pilgrimage, the best pilgrimage. Katha Bhagavata Swapi Nityam Bhavati Yad Grihe, where Bhagavad Katha running every day. Where Bhagavad Katha running every day, somehow. That house can be compared with a pilgrimage. Follow. It can be compared with pilgrimage. No problem can touch. So, Katha Bhagavata Swapi Nityam Bhavati Yad Grihe Tad Griham Tirtharupam Hi Basatam Papanasayo. Any kind of sinful activities cannot stay there. Ashwamedha Sahasrani Vajapeya Satani Cha Sukha Sastruk Kathayascho Kalam Narhati Saurasim. Not even one part of 16 part, not even Solakala one part. If you are going to arrange Ashwamed Yajna, thousands of Ashwamed Yajna, Vajpayee, hundreds of Vajpayee, it can never be compared with Bhagavad Katha. Sukha Sastro Kathayascho Kalam Narhati Sorosim. 16 solo kala, even one kala cannot become there. So powerful. You see. Tabat Papani Dehe Asmin Nivasanti Tapodhana Javan Suyati Samyak Bhagavatam Naroi. So long as a man with full patience not hearing Bhagavad Katha, till then countless sinful result of sinful activities can be there, symptom can be there. Papa can be there. But as and when hearing, all papas can fly. Like butterfly, if you, butterfly or, honeybees, whenever you go to the honeybees, then with fire, then all honeybees are here and there with fire. So, tavat papani dehe asmin nivasanti tapodhanaha yavat no srayate sammak Srimad Bhagavatam naroi. So long as anybody not hearing, any man not hearing Bhagavad Katha with full respect, till then sinful activities can be there. Sinful result of all sinful activities can be there. All problems mental problem can go away. All physical, everything can vanish. Follow. So tomorrow I can go on discussing about the glorification, Chatussan speaking. After that we can finally enter into the practical field, how effective Bhagavad Katha was, whereas the situation of Dhundukari was for the oldest situation. That we can discuss. Today I like to stop here. So what sloka I started with? Jatrottama sloka gunanuvadaha prastuyate gram katha vigataha nishebhyamanam anudhinam mamukshor matim satim yachati vasudeve vanchakalpaturvasya kipasindu patitanang pavane vaishnavabhyo namo.